Breaking into the IT industry without prior experience might seem challenging, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. In this guide, we'll walk you through actionable strategies to help you launch your IT career. Let's get started. 1. Build a strong foundation. To start your IT journey, you need a solid foundation in skills and knowledge. Learn fundamental skills. Begin with essential IT skills like networking, coding, and system administration. Utilize online platforms offering free or affordable courses, such as Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Earn certifications. Certifications demonstrate your expertise and commitment. Start with beginner-friendly options like CompTIA A+, Network Plus, Microsoft Certified, Azure Fundamentals, Google IT Support Professional Certificate. 2. Gain practical experience. Hands-on experience is invaluable when entering the IT field. Volunteer your skills. Offer IT support to local nonprofits, charities, or small businesses. These opportunities provide real-world experience and references for future jobs. Take on freelance projects. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal connect you with clients seeking IT help. Build your portfolio while gaining practical experience. Home lab projects. Set up a home lab to experiment with networking, virtualization, or cloud computing. Showcase these projects during interviews to demonstrate your initiative. 3. Network strategically. Networking can open doors to unadvertised job opportunities. Engage in professional communities. Join IT forums, LinkedIn groups, or Reddit communities like r IT Career Questions. Participate in discussions to learn and connect with professionals. Attend meetups and events. Seek out local IT meetups, webinars, or conferences to build in-person connections. Leverage alumni networks. Reach out to graduates from your school or training program. They may offer advice, mentorship, or job leads. 4. Optimize your resume and online presence. Your resume and online profiles should make a strong first impression. Craft a targeted resume. Highlight your certifications, volunteer work, and relevant projects. Use keywords from job postings to pass applicant tracking systems, ATS. Polish your LinkedIn profile. Keep your profile updated with skills, certifications, and achievements. Engage with industry-related content to increase visibility. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your IT projects, whether they're freelance jobs, volunteer work, or personal initiatives. 5. Apply strategically. Focus your job search on roles suitable for beginners. Look for entry-level roles. Target positions like IT support, help desk technician, or junior developer. These roles are often designed for candidates with minimal experience. Pursue internships. Internships offer invaluable experience and can transition into full-time positions. Explore apprenticeship programs. Some companies offer IT apprenticeship programs that combine training with on-the-job experience. 6. Prepare for interviews. Interviews are your chance to showcase your potential and enthusiasm. Practice common questions. Be ready to discuss your skills, certifications, and any hands-on experience. Highlight your problem-solving abilities and eagerness to learn. Brush up on technical skills. Many IT interviews include technical assessments. Practice troubleshooting common IT issues or solving basic coding challenges. Prepare STAR responses. Use the STAR method, situation, task, action, result, to answer behavioral questions effectively. 7. Commit to continuous learning. IT is a rapidly evolving field, and staying updated is essential. Follow industry trends. Keep an eye on emerging technologies like AI, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. Advance your skills. As you grow, pursue advanced certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Cisco CCNA, or CompTIA Security Plus. Engage in lifelong learning. Dedicate time to expanding your knowledge through blogs, podcasts, and online tutorials. Landing your first IT job without prior experience is a journey, but with determination and the right strategy, you can achieve your goal. Focus on building your skills, gaining hands-on experience, and networking effectively. Remember, every IT professional started somewhere. Your journey begins today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into kickstarting your tech career.